Alright, been kind of slacking on the video, been kind of busy. But here we go. I'm doing a ceramic coating on this one. A good friend of mine, and we do coffee and cars together. He's the guy that puts it on. I just help him out, and we've been talking on and off about putting coating on his car, and he finally came to the conclusion, just do it and let's get it over with. So that's what we're going to do this week. You let me have it all week. I work a full-time job and detail cars on the side, so I got it all week. So put some ceramic on it and protect it. It's a 2010, still pretty clean. So clean her up a little bit and clean the wheels up and give her a good coating and clean the inside and do all that stuff we got to do to get it ready. Got here to jump on here and do a video. I've been kind of busy with cars, and some cars I ain't had time to shoot video for. Just get busy and forget about it. So, alright, do a quick video of the inside, I guess. It ain't too bad. Pretty clean. Six-speed car. Pretty clean right here. We're just freshening her up a little bit. Pretty clean though. But that's all I got for now. Hopefully the weather stays decent and when we get done do a video on it. So, alright. Leave a comment. Do all the likes and checks and all that other fun stuff. Alright, tune you guys in later.